Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I hope everyone is doing well. I have in this video an incoming mail that I had just received from one of my Instagram followers. She is from South Africa. I will put her Instagram down below. She has some beautiful projects that she has made. She's into journaling. She also has a YouTube channel, and I'll also put all of her details down below. She had sent me a message on my Instagram and just wanted to inquire about HAPPYMAIL swap groups, and I told her that there are a few around, and I suggested a few to her. As she is from South Africa, she was having trouble trying to find people to swap with in HAPPYMAILing, and I had asked her if she would like to do a swap with me, and we both agreed to do one together. And I had received her HAPPYMAIL probably about 2 to 3 weeks ago, so I haven't had the chance to open her mail, and I wanted to open it here and share it with you guys in my video. And I've only opened up the envelope, but I haven't seen the packaging, so I'm looking forward to opening it, and I've been wanting to open this for the last couple of weeks. And I had sent mine to her, I guess probably about the same time, I'd say about 3 to 4 weeks ago. Sadly, she hasn't yet still received my HAPPYMAIL, and unfortunately sometimes when we send these packages internationally, it's out of our hands once it's in transit, and I do really hope she does get mine very soon. Again, I'll put all her links down below, and you can have a look at all of her wonderful projects. But I'm going to go ahead and open this because I have been dying to open this for the last couple of weeks. I have been working 10 straight shifts, and then I've had like a day off, and that day off I use that to clean up the house, do a couple of videos and tutorials, and then I was back on doing another 8 straight shifts. So I just haven't had a chance to open up your mail. So I do apologize, Desiree, and I'm going to do it right now here on video and share it with all of my subscribers here. And let's go ahead and have a look and see what she has sent me. I do again apologize for all of the crackling of the plastic, but it's really very well packaged, I have to say. But I'm going to use my scissors so it's not too noisy to open this up. I'm so sorry about all the noise. I'll try and get this out quickly. Alright, I'll put that to the side. It's really pretty, and she's got some twine here and a lovely tag that says Sandy on there. Oh, it's been like 2 weeks. It's just been sitting on my desk unopened, and I just feel so bad that I hadn't had a chance to open it up. But I get to open it up now finally, and get to see what Desiree has sent to me. Just going to cut this open without damaging the inside. I'll just strip this up so we're not wasting too much time, and we'll have a look. It's so nice when you get HAPPYMAIL sent to you from another part of the world. Oh, this is really lovely. Look at this. This is beautiful. Her she also has a online store as well, and it's called Gotas in My Heart, and I'll put the link down below for her online store as well. And it's very well packaged. Oh, look at this. This is so lovely. Look at that. It's got some nice gold foil flowers on the front of her flipbook. This is adorable. Look how beautiful this is. It's got some lovely cream satin flower trim on the side with some nice cream ribbon. I might open up her flipbook first. No, we'll open up this packet of goodies. Wow. Thank you so much, Desiree. This is beautiful. I really hope she gets my package very soon, and I hope it gets to her safely and undamaged. I've had HAPPYMAIL sent to some of one of my other swap partners a while back, and it didn't arrive there for about 8 weeks. Incredible. And when she did receive it, all of the packaging was all damaged, so it must have traveled around the world before it got to her. Oh, look at this lovely packaging. She's had some doilies as the bag topper with some nice little heart punched out. Oh, this is lovely. These are some lovely die cuts in here. Oh, I'll be able to use these in my projects. They're heart-shaped dies or die cuts. And there's some more other cute die cuts in here. I'm just going to quickly open it. I wanted to see what's in here. Wow, she has sent me a lot of stuff in here. This is going to be so much fun for me. This looks like a die cut shape with some score lines for me. It looks like for me to make a nice cute little pocket. Oh, this is really cute. And I love little mini pockets. You know me, I love pockets. It is too. It had some score lines, so I did assume that they are. I didn't fold them properly because I'm doing this really quick. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Nice cute little pocket. Thank you so much, Desiree. And there's some more in here. I'll have to have a look off camera. I can't wait. Alright, some more here. This is... I'm going to open this up. I've got to open them up. This is the fun part when you receive Happy Mail, not knowing what you're going to get from your swap partner or from your pen pal, and it's just exciting to see what you get in the mail instead of receiving a bill. This is just, that's why they call this Happy Mail, because it makes you all happy. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little musical sheet pocket. Oh, this would be really cute for me to use in some of my projects, or probably in like one of my little mini albums. I've got some cute little, look how cute those little clips are. Can you see that? Oh, pretty cute. Oh, I just dropped it. I'll get it in a minute. But look, there's another one. How cute is that? I'll pick that other one in a minute. Oh, there it is. Let me just grab it before I lose it. Okay, I'll put that there. And she's embellished the front here with some trim. Oh, these are just lovely, lovely, beautiful. Ah, look how cute. Playing cards, another great way to use as embellishments. I'll open that later. I'll just move these out of the way so we can see the rest of fun goodies. Oh, look at this. This is a lovely blue color. I don't use a lot of blue tones in my projects, as most of you who do subscribe and have followed my videos. But I plan to use a lot of blues now. I think the blues are a lovely, lovely colour to work with, especially with gold. These are like our card spools. Yes, I can use them too. Very cute. Love the papers. I'll put that there. I'll move. Look at that. Oh, these are some nice intricate lace paper style shapes. I can use them as well. Wow, she's went through a lot of trouble making all this for me. This is just so pretty. This is some tulle. I think she's got that to hold this cute little flip book. I think it's a flip book or a little pocket folder, mini file folder. She had some tulle to keep it closed. Oh, wow. Oh, I feel so spoiled. Oh, these are so nice. I love little cute packaging like this. I love all things cute. So many. Oh, this is just nice. I really do feel spoiled. Desiree, you have done amazing. Amazing with all of your work here. And I love all of the papers that you've used. And this is, oh, look at this. Can you see that? It's got some nice, these all must coordinate in colour. This is just really, really pretty. Oh, it's like a little a junk journal flip book, or for junk journaling. I will use this in my for my notes. Look at these. These are like coffee or tea dye stained paper. I've always wanted to try and do this, but I've just never had the chance to get to do it, and I don't have to now because I've got my own little little junk journal journaling booklet here that Desiree has made for me. It's a nice doily. Oh, there's a little pocket. Very, very clever. You've done an amazing job here, Desiree. Thank you very much. Oh, this is really pretty. I will have to put her link down below for her YouTube. You need to go and have a look at her channel, even her Instagram. Oh, look at this. These are little wood chip embellishments. Packaged cutely. Look at this cute little tag, or what do they call it? A bag topper. That's really cute. Beautiful. I've never seen anything like these before. Alright, now what is this? I'm trying to work out what this is. I'm not sure what this is. Desiree, you'll have to tell me what this is, because I do not know what this is. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. Desiree, you'll have to tell me what this is, or if anyone knows what I can do with this, let me know. Okay, I'll work on that one. Interesting. Oh, some washi. Yes, I love this color washi. I don't have any, again, like I said, I don't have a lot of blue tone colors, so this would be great for me to start working with my blues. Some trim on that card spool again. Some banners embellishing her package. Wow, that is just divine. Okay, let's have a look and see her flip book that she's made for me. I thought it'd end, but no, but it's still going. This is a beautiful, beautiful flip book. I love the paper. Oh, this is lovely. She's got a pocket on this side. And the nice, oh, this is just nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some gold on the paper here with some beautiful patterns. Oh, look at these cute little tiny mini envelopes. Oh, they're just so cute. I can use these in my planners. These are just adorable. So cute. So cute. So much stuff in here. Look at this. She's just given me so many goodies. Some tags. I have to say the blue is a lovely color. Blue and gold is really nice to work together with. I think I'm going to have to start working with some blues. Although I did order some Prima flowers in some blue tones from Sassy Scrappers, and I had just received them in the mail. I will be doing a crafting haul with all of my stuff that I just received from Sassy Scrappers as well, and that should be hopefully in my next video. And this is the next page. It's got a journaling card, and that flips over with some more. Oh, this is a cute little mini like a mini album or mini flip book with that same little paper that she had sent me. Where is it? In here. I'll just show you. It must be one of these that she's used, and then she's made it into a cute little junk journaling book, flip book. This is really cute, and then it's got a little pocket here, a little tuck spot. Oh, this is lovely. I could just keep looking at all of your stuff all day. This is just oh, so cute. Look at that, and it's so tiny. I love it, love it. I'll put that back there, and I'm going to have another look, a proper look at it off camera later on. I just really wanted to show you guys. Oh, this is just nice. This is another side pocket down here with some more fun ephemeras, some tags, and she's embellished this one here with some trim. Just beautiful. I'll pop that back in there, and then I think this opens up this way, and we've got a double page here. If you have a look at this whole flip book, how beautiful is that just laid out? I love all the details, all the embellishments, and look at this pocket. And then she's got another pocket at the back. We'll take that one out of the back pocket of that envelope. Oh, these are just so pretty. I love them. Oh, it's another little clip with some page flag stuck on the clip. She did go through a lot of work creating this. I think this is beautiful with some butterfly. Oh, I love these cute little projects where they've got tuck spots on the side and then flipping them open and just not knowing what else is going to be there. This is just lovely. This must be dyed with some tea bags or something. Is this like a dye? What do they call it? Like a tea bag dye? A copy stain dye? Yes. I've been wanting to try doing this, but I've just not had a chance. Oh, I love these little tuck spots. Beautiful. I'll place that back in that envelope, and then let's have a look and see what's in here. Oh wow. Oh, that must be my letter. Okay. I'll read that later off camera. But this is just very well made. And look, over here there's another tuck spot here with more goodies. She definitely has spoiled me. Desiree, you have done too much for me. Oh, look at this. I love embellished little pockets or little treat bags like this. I just love the way. I always like to see how people decorate it. This is just nice from the inside. She's got in here a nice blank tag that I could use. Goes back in there. So cute. And now look at all this, so much stuff. Some more tags. And that's been held with one of these paper clips that she's altered with some more fun papers. And these ones have been teared. Beautiful. And there's some nice tags. It's like a vintage style theme, but very well sort of laid out with beautiful colors. So it's not that real vintage, which is usually a lot of the browns and antique colors, but this has got some nice bright blues, which I really love. And then she's embellished the front of this side pocket here as well. Just lovely. And then that's the back. This paper is really nice. What kind of paper is this, Desiree? Beautiful. Thank you so much. I do hope you enjoyed this fun incoming mail that I just received from one of my followers. I just really love looking at this. I've got to have a proper look off camera. I just really had to show you guys. I've been wanting to, again, like I said, been wanting to open it, and it was well worth the wait. And again, I'll put all of her links down below. Please check her out. Follow her if you are on Instagram. And thank you so much, Desiree. I do hope you get my Happy Mail very soon, and I will see all of you guys on my next video. Bye.